Monday and Tuesday for math, we are going to run a donut shop. So each of you have your very own donut shop. If you go into Google Classroom, okay, so click on the green guy up here, and then go to Miss Barrett's class, and then open Classroom, and then you'll click on Classwork. You'll see that the donut shop is one of the top ones, okay? Donut shop. It should say donut shop on the top. So you click on that. Each of you have your own copy, so you can type on your slides and move things around. Okay, so you are going to run a donut shop for math today and tomorrow, the last day of school. Dear superstar math students, you have been given money to set up your own donut shop. The bank will give you a budget to follow, but it's up to you to purchase all of your ingredients to get your shop up and running. Remember to use your knowledge of math to find the cost of running your donut shop, and don't go over the budget. Have fun, and let's get ready for some delicious donuts. Love, your teacher. So what you will do is just go through the slides in your slideshow. Okay, so on this page, you'll have to read this right up here. But I want you to think about a time you have been to a donut shop or what you know about donut shops. What kind of donuts do the stores sell? What kind of donuts do they have? What were your favorite types of donuts? What do you think they use to bake the donuts? What ingredients do you think they use? So you will make a circle map of everything you remember about visiting a donut shop. Okay, so you'll type here where it says type here. You'll press delete and you'll start typing. Okay, just type, brainstorm different ideas that you remember about going to a donut shop. What's it look like, feel like, sound like, smell like? What types of donuts are there? Okay, just think about what you experience going to a donut shop. And then you will click on this next slide, Donut Shop Brainstorm. Use this page to help think through some of the details of starting your own donut shop. So you will be typing in your slide, okay, where it says type here. You will click on it and you can press the backspace button so that you can type what you want to type. So what ingredients will you need? Well, maybe you think that you need flour, and then you'll press the enter key. Okay, maybe you think you'll need blah, 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 blah. I want you to brainstorm. What ingredients go into making a donut? What other supplies will you need to run your shop? Okay, so what else will you need? Not just the ingredients that goes into the donut, but what else will you need to run the shop? How are you going to cook the donut? How are you going to mix the batter? So what things do you need? What sort of donuts will you offer at your shop? Okay, so what are your favorite kind of donuts? Maybe you like sugary donuts. Maybe you like ones with chocolate coating on top or chocolate frosting on top. What kind of donuts will you have there? Donut shop details. Put your name. When will you open your store? What days and hours will you be open? So will you be open Monday through Friday? Will you be open just Monday, Wednesday, and Friday? Will you be open from 9 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock at night? And how will you advertise your store? That means, how are you going to promote people to come to your store? Are you going to put billboard signs up? Are you going to put it in a magazine? Ooh, I'm in the classroom. Are you going to put magazines up? Okay, much better. And then you'll go to the next slide. Here are donut shop supplies, okay? So if you look here, these are your ingredients in the price of each ingredient. These are extras that you could sell at your donut shop. Okay, then you go to the next slide. Your budget is $140. You can't spend more than $140. $140 and that's it. So are you ready to open your donut shop? You bet you've been given a budget to follow. This means you have a certain amount of money you are allowed to spend. You cannot spend more than this. So you can't spend more than $140. Here are 2 different donut recipes. You can choose which recipe you'd like to follow. These can help you select which ingredients to buy. So each recipe, it says, makes 100 donuts. Say that aloud with me. Each recipe makes 100 donuts. Okay, so do you want to sell crispy donuts or do you want to sell soft donuts? Okay, pick one of them. Let's say that you wanted to sell soft donuts. Okay, so you won't even look at this recipe card. You'll see the directions right here. Okay, you don't actually have to make it, it's just on there for you. But most importantly, you'll want to see the ingredients. Okay, so you don't look at the crispy donuts, you need 1 gallon of milk. Okay, for the soft donuts, you need 2 gallons of milk. So remember that that will cost you more money to buy 2 gallons of milk. Okay, so let's say I needed 2 gallons of milk. So I'm going to the next slide right here, below that one, and you can see these little circles on here. You can click on them and move them. Okay, so if I need 2 gallons of milk, I'm going to put it on there. It says choose the ingredients you need to purchase to make your donuts. Drag and drop the circles to circle your choices. Okay, what else do I need? Now I'm going back to this slide. 2 bags of flour. So I think I'm going to put 2 circles on here because then I know that I need 2 gallons of milk. That's only 1 gallon. Then I need 2 bags of flour. So I might put 2 circles on here. Okay, I need 2 bags of flour. I need 1 bag of sugar. So go through your list of ingredients on the recipe that you chose. Okay, go ahead and circle them. I'm not going to do all of it because I want you to do it. And then you will do this slide. Now list all of the ingredients and extras you decided to purchase for your donut shop below. Write the price next to it, then find the total amount you spent. So what you are going to do is put milk. So that's 1 ingredient. So quantity, how many gallons of milk do you need? Okay, let's say 2. What would the price of that be if you need 2 of these milks? $10. $5 plus $5 is $10. Okay, so you are going to put $10 here. Oh, no, excuse me. You're going to put $5. And then you know that you're buying 2 gallons of milk, so you will do 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, so you'll go through and type each ingredient here that you need to make your donuts. Okay, and then if there's any extras that you want to include on there, you'll put that here. So let's say that you want to have a bag of candy. Okay, so how many bags of candy do you want, though, to sell? Then you'll have to add up that number, okay? And then I want you to do the reflection questions. You don't have to type these out, but I want you to read them after you're done with your budgeting. I want you to read them, and you can say the answer out loud. Just talk to your computer screen or talk to a sibling or a family member that's available, or you can type them if you want to. But either way, I just want you to read through them and think about them and answer them out loud. Okay, and then today you will stop when you get to this slide. It says stop here, do the second half of the slides tomorrow. So don't move any further and wait for the video I give you tomorrow. So have fun making your donut shop.